Mbukeli kufanele sibacabange nalaba abangabanga nayo inhlanhla yokuthokozela usuku lukaNcibijane njengezingane eziningi ezisezibhedlela zikahulumeni eNelson Mandela Bay eEastern Cape. Izihlathi zivakashele izindlebe kulezingane njengoba zithuke sezenzelwa idili likaKhisimusi zingazelele ukuthokozela usuku lwanamhlanje.
Labantwana bajajuliswe ngezipho ukubungaza lolu suku likaKhisimusi. Lezi ngane zijajuliswe ngokudla ziphiwa namathoyizi. Phela iningi lazo ngeke ligoduke ngalamaholide asehlobo.
We're very aware that we are supported by the community of the Bodog, and for the children that are here at the Doranginza and at Livingston Hospital who couldn't be with their families during this important. It is our duty that we bring the festive cheer just like we do to the people that are healthy or the people of the Bay.
Kwabanye lokhu kusho lukhulu njengoba abanye kade beqala nqa ukuthola izipho zikaKhisimusi.
We understand the background and the conditions that most of these children are coming from. It's one thing for them to have something to look forward to on Christmas Day while they are in their sick bed, but some of them come from very impoverished backgrounds. Some of them are victim and experience the gender-based violence and the child abuse that we've been preaching about in this past month. For some of them, it will be their only present they will receive ever in their lives.
Sezikhona izinhlelo zokusabalalisa lolu hlelo nezo jikelele.